Hey guys, welcome to my channel.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Cadence. I am doing a Young Living video. My cats are running away from something. I don't know what. I got this in the mail a couple days ago, but we were out of town. We just went to California, spent some time with my family and hung out on the beach. I'm already missing it and I want to go back. It feels like we never went. It's really bizarre, but we had such a blast. I have been waiting to open this box. So I got the Desert Mist diffuser again. I have one already, but we've slowly been accumulating diffusers so that we can have one in every house, or one in every room of the house. And maybe not every room, but almost. We have been needing one in our room. We've been moving one back and forth from our room. It's a dewdrop diffuser. I always get tongue-tied when I say dewdrop diffuser. We've been moving it back and forth depending on what room we need it in. Anyway, so we're getting ready for Thanksgiving and we want to make sure that there's a diffuser in every room for everybody because people are coming over and they're staying in the different rooms that don't always typically get used. And if we do, then we just move a diffuser in there. So we wanted to make sure that we had a diffuser for us and that we had a diffuser for our guests. But also it's just been something that we have desired to have in that room. So that's just strictly the guest bedroom diffuser, things like that. So that when we do have guests over, that's just their diffuser that they get to use. So anyways, all that to be said, we got another Desert Mist diffuser. So this is our second Desert Mist and I'm really excited. So it's gonna be permanently our diffuser in our room and I cannot wait. So I bought more of the Thieves dish soap. I've been using this dish soap this past month and I've actually really liked it. I'm kind of mixed emotions about it, to be honest, and Cameron doesn't really like it at all. I like it, but I don't love it, but I'm not ready to stop using it. It suds up and it gets a good lather to it, but it just doesn't last as long as other soaps do because it doesn't have all of that stuff, all of that yuck, all of those chemicals in it to keep it foamy and, you know, all of that for a very, very, very long time. So I'm okay with that kind of a sacrifice, but you are using a bit more than you normally would because the soap kind of dissipates sooner. I'm currently, let me get my other bottle. I've been using this bottle for probably maybe a month now and I've used that. So I don't know if you guys can see the line, but I've used that much soap and that's not that bad. It's gonna last me probably 1 or 2 more months, maybe, depending on how many dishes I do. Sometimes I hand wash a lot of dishes and other times I don't. So it just depends on, but also Thanksgiving is coming up, so there's going to be bazillions of dishes that we're doing. Anyways, I don't know. I'm not done trying and testing it out, probably. I don't know, I may do a couple more bottles. I enjoy it. I like how it works. I feel like it scrubs well with my sponge that I use and it gets everything off well for me. But I am applying more soap to it more frequently, but it's not that much of a drastic difference where I'm like, wow, this isn't worth it. So I don't know if that helps at all. I don't really have a full review yet on how I feel about it as a whole, but so far I like it better than I don't. Cameron is really on the fence about it, but I really like it. I want to try it more. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, another thing that I got that this is new for me is the Thieves hand soap. I have been making our own Thieves foaming hand soap since I've got my starter kit over a year ago now. I have enjoyed it, but I'm interested to know if there's a difference, if I like this better or if I like my handmade stuff better. I don't know, or my homemade stuff, not handmade. Well, whatever. I'm excited to try it, and if we like it, then I'm just gonna buy a whole bunch and use this. It comes with its own pump, it's foaming, I like it. I'm excited to try it, and I like the bottle. I like the way it looks. I don't mind my bottles, but you don't know what kind of soap it is either. So I like that it's labeled, and I could label it. I have a Cricut. I could make my own label and put it on that thing. I don't have time. I have time, but I'm not making the time for it. And that's okay. It is what it is. I got more wicks for my orb diffuser. I don't know if you guys have seen my last unboxing video. If not, I will leave the links below. Check it out. I got the orb diffuser. I'm buying more of these wicks because they're really, really cheap, and I want to make sure that I have enough on hand. Always, I never want to run out. And they were really cheap, so I just grabbed 2 more. They were already in my cart, and I just kept them in my cart, and I just grabbed them again. I spent like a couple bucks and got those. Okay, oh, here's one more. I got chapsticks, cinnamon, more cinnamon. I ordered my cinnamon chapstick last month, and then I was like, Cameron, I got cinnamon, and he was like, you didn't order me one? And I was like, I'm so sorry. I didn't know that you wanted one. And he was like, yeah, and I was like, okay, because normally he has the grapefruit, and he really likes the grapefruit. But it's, you know, it's the fall season now, and everything's cinnamon and all of that. And anyways, he was like, no, I want cinnamon. So I was like, okay, I'll get you one next time. So I ordered him cinnamon, and then I ordered a backup cinnamon just in case, you know, one of us runs out or something. I wanted to make sure that we have enough on hand always. Oh, and the holiday catalog.
Holiday catalog?
Yeah, with all the holiday oils and ooh, the einkorn crackers. This is Sleepy Eyes from the Kid Sense line. I get it. Yay. Cadence loves it. I love it. I don't use it on me, but I love it on her. It works. It relaxes her in her room. When it's time for bed, she goes to bed pretty quickly. It's a very beautiful smell. I got more Christmas spirit. I have like 2 bottles over there, maybe 3. I just keep buying them every month because we diffuse Christmas spirit a lot. It's a nice, like, beautiful fall, homey, comforting scent. It's like orange and cinnamon, and it's so good. So I just keep buying it because it's just an awesome one to have on hand for the holidays. And I got oregano for free since this is my Essential Rewards order. If you hit certain tiers within your order, if you've like purchased certain amounts, you get free oils. So I hit the first tier and I got oregano, which is awesome. And I still have some oregano, but I will take more gladly. Like, there's another tube in here somewhere. It's right here. Purification. I order this every single month. I don't think I have gone a month without it. When we're having guests over, it's the thing that we like to diffuse because it's like a very clean smell. I got more Copaiba. I'm running low a little bit on Copaiba. I don't have a little baby, but it's good for like teething babies, or if there's like some irritation, it kind of just helps like relax whatever it is. I need to get to the dentist, but I have been having some wisdom tooth pain. I have 1 wisdom tooth in my entire mouth. It's on this side of my mouth, and it has been painful. Cadence understands. Yeah, it's been bothering me. So until I can get to the dentist, I was like, I'm just gonna get more Copaiba on hand. That way I can use it if I need to. I just put it on my gums, and sometimes if it's just a little bit, I just put it on the outside of my my face even, and it calms it down and it helps it to feel better. That's why I got more Copaiba. That way I just had some more on hand. All right, so with the diffuser, you get a free bottle of tangerine and a free bottle of peppermint. So that's pretty awesome. And I think it's with every diffuser, if I'm not mistaken. Definitely with the Desert Mist and the Honeydew. Oh my gosh.
Honeydew.
This is the 2nd video that I have made with my Essential Rewards orders that I have said a honeydew instead of dewdrop diffuser. Anyways, I know for sure that with the Desert Mist Diffuser and the Dewdrop Diffuser that you get the free oils. Tangerine and peppermint. I don't know about the other ones. I think so. I think that you get them. I didn't get them with the orb, but it's not technically like an official one of their big diffusers. It's just a smaller one. So I don't know what qualifies, but I got more peppermint and tangerine, which I will always take more of, especially peppermint. We go through peppermint more than we do tangerine. And that's it. Yay! If you guys have any questions about Young Living as a whole, or how you can get your hands on these oils and get your own diffuser and get started, you can get a starter kit, a Young Living starter kit. You can get that through me. So message me, email me, comment below or whatever, and I can give you the details and I can get you a starter kit. It just gives you a wholesale membership and you get all of the stuff on wholesale prices, not retail prices. So it's not like you have to sign up for this, get this starter kit, and now you have to sell it. It's strictly just so that you can get wholesale prices on all of these products, and it's worth it because it's much cheaper than retail. That is what I recommend. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to help. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Click that notification bell. It notifies you every time I make a new video, and I make a new video every Friday. I skipped last Friday because we were out of town, and I had a video and I was ready to edit it, and it was like, you know what? I'm just gonna spend time with my family, and I'm just gonna take this time to just be with them. It doesn't hurt to have a little break right before the holiday season hits, because it's here and it's happening, and Halloween's in like 2 days. So craziness is upon us. So I just thought I'm gonna take a week off, and I'm just not gonna edit the video. I have lots of videos that I record all week long. So I have videos that I could use and I could use in future videos, but sometimes they work out to be used and sometimes they don't. So anyways, I missed last week, but I'm happy to be back, and thank you guys for being here and subscribing and watching and for all of your support. It means the world to me. I will see you guys next Friday. Bye.